Not every dictionary will teach you. No. Just like those of you that you are parent by the grace of God, you wouldn't just go and pick a riffraff to come and teach your children lesson. Do you do that? Even when you have seen this person, you want to know where he is good. Are you good in mathematics or English? Do you understand? If you are so intelligent as parent to do that, so why will you think that God will just say, you are my own, then you have to look for your teacher? No. It is God that will give you your own pastor. It is God that will give you your own teacher. He's the one that will give you his prophet. If you are going to experience deliverance, God will give you a prophet. If you are going to prosper in life, what he will do for you is that he will give you a prophet. You will be preserved under the ministry of the prophet. You didn't choose your biological father, God did. And in this kingdom also, you cannot just unpick someone and say, come and be my father. Now, these are prophetic connections that happens in theocratic government.